Hi, I'm Srinitya Kumar from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, South India. I am from Zama's AML training, batch 20. He has immense knowledge about AML and he had helped so many professionals to clear their CAMS examination in their first attempts. He is very strong in his concepts and he trained the concepts from the layman's point of view. Initially, he took us through all the basics, then about Basel Committee, FATF recommendations, Wolfsburg's principles, TBML, sanction screening, and whatnot. He helps us with the rule exercise and the mock examination questions as well. This helps us to clear our examination in the first attempt itself, and he provides the recorded videos also for the future references. And I completed his training by March 12th.